video on how to light up your Lazy Easy Miami spa. I always think it's lazy, but it's easy. Anyway, so these lights are off eBay, they're on Amazon, they're all over the place. They're kind of LED, they come with a remote control as such, and you can basically submerge them in the water. So you undo them, and pretty simply they just take AAA batteries, 3 of them. So we just pop that there. We've got 3 of these. I think they're about £4 or £5 each. Basically you can run the remote control and it will control all 3 of them at the same time. So I'm going to see how good they are. This one I put some batteries in already. So let's fill this up. Put these in. There we go, it's come on red straight away, quite bright. That's one. Some more batteries, rechargeables. Different reviews on these. Look at Amazon. Some people say they leak, some people say they're fine, some people say the battery runtime's rubbish. I was thinking of putting a lithium ion battery, like a small one, in, but I haven't got around to doing it. More batteries in this one. So and that one's on. One thing I would say is that after you've used them, don't leave them in the water. Take them out, let them dry, or dry them off with a towel. And then probably what you want to do is open them up, take the batteries out and just let them dry. There probably will be some moisture in. So if we go off, nothing happens. I think that's the second remote control. This is the one. Oh yeah, when you get a remote control, remember to pull out the plastic. That activates the battery. So this is the one that I've already activated. If you do want to change the battery, you can just pull it out, and it's CR2025. So let's try again. Off. Okay, off, on, brightness controls, dim. Some of this doesn't seem to do much. Maybe that's the flashing speed. Flash, strobe. They don't. Fading. I'm not sure all of them work properly. Smooth. And you can start changing the colours. Some sort of purples, blues, greens, reds. Some of them don't look great though. I don't know. If you do get in a bit of a mess with them, there isn't so much a. That's white. Not so much a reset, but maybe go white and then just go RG or B. Just doing flash. Anyway, so you get the idea. They don't seem that bright out of the water and in sort of not daylight, but inside. Let's just, I haven't actually got any lights on in there. Let's just try and kill some flashlight. So there you go. Right, let's have a look at what these look like inside the tub. So this is where we move to the outside and testing the lights. So here we go. It's not mega dark, it's just getting slightly dark, so the colours, the brightness isn't massively good, but here we have the lights. They are submersible, waterproof, but like I said earlier, when you finish using them, just take them out and unscrew them, and then if there's any water inside, dry them out. Doing my tests, I did have some leaks on these, so anyway, so yeah, they float basically, they will not sink to the bottom. You can wedge one between the air pipe going out and the filter going in. The remote control will operate, seems one at a time. If you're really close to all of them, it will change the settings straight away. So something to bear in mind. I don't think the remote control is waterproof, but yeah, going through the different colours, it's pretty good. You can set the various settings. If it just seems that at certain points though, it kind of like doesn't, it seems to not show the basic colours. It seems to mix different colours in, and you can't reset it, so you have to take the batteries out. That's the only thing I noticed. But yeah, so there you go. It's like a purplish shade there. In a minute we'll be going in the hot tub and looking up at these lights, so you can have them cycling and that. I'm not sure what happens when you switch the bubbles on. I didn't get a chance to do that in this video, so you're just getting these colours cycling round. But yeah, I think for the price, I think they're about £4 or £5 off eBay or Amazon. It's pretty good value. Just doing the remote control thing again there with them. So these are basically in the Lazy Spa Miami, which is doesn't have any lights included in it. So you do need something if you're going to be using it in the evening. So yeah, they're pretty good. Float well. You could join them all together, I guess, if you wanted to control them exactly at the same time, or just chuck them in and leave them. These things could be used in swimming pools and ponds as well. As for the battery run times, I think they are, I can't remember, possibly 1 hour. I haven't done a test on that, but you see they're getting quite bright there as it's getting darker outside with the test. And in a minute, yeah, like I say, we'll see them.
Mummy, he's stuck in the roof. Side flip and back flip. He wouldn't want to see it. He's staring his pants now. It's really funny. Hello, funny man. Kids, see how funny it is? It is so hilarious. Look. It's like Spider-Man doing back flips and front flips. See? He's unstickable. See? He does 4-leg crouch. See?